The project we're really involved in at Hadar is world building, where generations of Jews can step up and in to the vision of what we stand for and simply live that as the vision of their life and the way in which they will raise their children, their grandchildren, teach their students, and bring other people in. We believe in an integrated religious life where there's deep learning that includes questioning, where there's passionate singing and tefillah and prayer, where the culmination of what it is to learn Torah is to grow in chesed and become more kind and more reliable and dependable for the people that we live with. And we unambivalently approach that as an endeavor that invites everyone, irrespective of gender, to step up to be full leaders and citizens in all aspects of that community. Whether you step into our Beit Midrash or you read a Dvar Torah in one of our readers, you're going to get a sense from every one of our faculty members, our kollel members, our students in the yeshiva, that we are holding those values together. We are here for keeps. This is what we are doing with our lives. And if you are excited about what it means to connect with a team that has that kind of focus and commitment, we are so excited and wanting you to be a part of this work.